In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow download speeds on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off metered connection. Open the Start menu and click Settings. Go to Network and Internet and select your current network. Scroll down and make sure metered connection is turned off. This setting limits download speed, so disabling it can instantly help. Solution 2. Check data usage. Open the Start menu and search for data usage. Open it and review the list of apps using your internet. If you see any apps you don't need, uninstall them. Background apps can slow down your downloads. Solution 3. Change DNS settings. Open the control panel and set View by to large icons. Click Network and Sharing Center, then change adapter settings. Right-click your network and choose Properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as alternate DNS. Click OK and close all windows. Solution 4. Flush DNS cache. Open the Start menu, type cmd, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type this command and press Enter. IP protocol configuration /flushdns. Final tip. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs often reduce download speed. That's it. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.